Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm finally showing you guys the new color on the 240. Can you believe that? I can't even believe the words coming out of my mouth because I've had this car for so long now. I'm used to seeing it the way that it's been for years, literally years. Obviously I've taken you guys along with me on prepping the car, sanding it, everything that I've been putting into it so far. The wrap is finally done. The wrapping is finally done and I basically have a brand new car. I'm so excited. So I'm kind of making this into like a vlog slash reveal because I'm only showing you guys the reveal, and I made maybe like a 1-minute video, so obviously not long enough to be a full YouTube video. Just take you guys along with me on my day and a little bit behind the scenes. I don't think I filmed too much just because I was gonna run out of daylight when we went to go film. I am just popping in to make this intro because I didn't make an intro the day of, like always. Yeah, so I got my friends' reactions. So exciting, myself seeing the car like in the daylight, because every time I went to go work on it, it was usually at nighttime. So I didn't really see the car in full daylight, fully complete. It was so exciting. I loved it. I love it so much. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm gonna stall just a little bit though, because I did want to show you guys I got a new freaking camera. And that's actually what I'm gonna be using to film the rest of the video. I'm filming with my phone right now because I wanted to show you guys my camera. Love anything new technology. Oh my goodness. So I got the Osmo Pocket 3 and I got like their creator combo, so it comes with all of the stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys. I just have to put my phone down somewhere. I'm gonna do a mini unboxing even though I've opened it already. So this is the camera, so tiny. I feel like this camera is super popular, so you might know it already. A lot of little things I have to learn about this camera. But my other camera is the Sony a6100, and honestly I love that camera. I've had it for years, but I don't know, it's just not doing it for me anymore. I needed something new. I needed an upgrade. It's a little early Christmas gift for myself. Comes with a tripod. They have so many little accessories for this thing. I want to go crazy. I kind of already did. I made my whole camera pink and I'm gonna show you guys right now, but I want to show you guys it without it before. A little external battery adapter for a tripod, obviously the little microphone, wind protector. Wouldn't be me if I didn't make it a little bit pink. So I got these cases off of Amazon. So then it has the little cap. Everything else comes with a pink little attachment. Are you kidding me? Like, hello? Just yapping, but I want to show you guys my new camera because I'm gonna be filming with it more. 240 color reveal is filmed with this camera, so let me know what you guys think. Throw in your final guess right now. Throw it in. It's a color by Vinyl Frog. Shout out Vinyl Frog. I freaking love this color. I'm obsessed, and I fear that I love it too much that I'm never gonna want to change it. That's exactly what happened with the FRS. I'm gonna stop yapping now and let you guys see the new color reveal. Raw reaction.
Alright,
Yeah, go.
Oh!
Didn't even I'm seeing in the sun for the first time. OMG.
Dude, it looks completely different.
Oh yeah. New car.
Wow, the color's so crazy. I can't believe you went with pink.
Oh my god. Yeah, we gotta look at the rocks. We got Lonzo Works in the building. If we break down here. I'm hiding behind a bush. Alex helping me film some shots. It's like focusing on the thing. Got Liz's reaction. Keep going, keep going.
I'm so excited. Okay, can I look? Can I look? Can I look? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, you got a DJI. It's so
Yeah.
cute.
1, 2, 3. It's blue.
Wow, it's so nice. Dude,
Whole
it does
different-
not look like the same car.
Right? That's what Alex said.
Oh my gosh, it looks crazy.
We ready to eat.
Straight into you.
Cheers. Some.
So, we got locked out of the 240. It's first day out. And this happened.
Here at the mall.
I know, huh? Broke down. AAA's coming. We went to Walmart to get wire hangers, but it didn't work. So, we got AAA coming. 240 is always a eventful journey, taking it out. There's always something happening.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Frank saving the day. Frank.
My dad's name is Frank.
Go Alex. Go Alex.
Moment of truth.
Open this one, Alex.
And pumping back in. So what do you guys think about it? Give me your guys' opinions. I don't think people thought I was gonna do blue. I asked on my Instagram and on my YouTube comments. A lot of people were saying that I was gonna be doing pink because obviously my FRS is pink. I love pink, it's my favorite color, but I had to do something different. I had to do a different color, and this one's perfect. Honestly, I love it. Can't find anything else similar to this, so I'm so happy. Shout out Vinyl Frog. Obviously, go check them out. I love them. I love their wraps. They have so many nice colors that it was really easy to work with despite me not being a car wrapper. Such an easy material to learn with, honestly. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me. 240. I have a couple of videos lined up. Like I got new taillights for it. I have a new wing for the 240. Keep an eye out for the wrapping video. Be next. So I learned how to wrap the 240, but I did want to show you guys the color first, because then I was gonna have to black and white that whole wrapping video and it didn't make sense to me. So here we are. I hope you guys loved it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.